Hey everyone, I'm back. Earlier today, I found a bird. His name was John. Well, I named him. His name was John. He was outside our house, on the ground, shaking. Brought him inside, gave him food, water, and everything. And then something horrible happened to him. But nothing, he just ran away. I left the windows open. Then when I went to check on him, he wasn't there anymore. Yeah, I felt sad because I wanted to raise a bird as a pet because most of my last pets didn't work out. My cat ran away. I didn't, yeah, my dog died. And I had, I don't remember the last pet I had. I don't know what happened to him. Just vanished. So, yeah. And I'm gonna show you guys where John lived, my bird. So let's go. But before we go, please like and subscribe this video because I'm real sad. So we're here. I'll show you here. He laid over here. The food was over here. Bit of water. Actually drank the water because when I gave him, it was actually full. And I'm also happy that he ate the food. Yeah, the food that I gave him. I left the window open. Just remember, if you have a pet, let's say a pet bird, don't leave the window open. They will actually run away. Because when I picked him up, I thought that he was a baby bird. But I thought it was a baby bird. I didn't think that he could fly. I thought his wings were broken. Actually, they aren't. Yeah, they aren't broken. Because if they were, you couldn't be able to fly. So I just really miss him, even if I picked him up this morning. I wanted just to have a pet bird because I've never actually had a pet bird. Keeping a secret from my parents, and then when he's fully grown, big bird, I'll actually reveal the secret. Like, Tara, I have a pet bird, and then we'll be like, oh, yeah. I'm actually happy that I now know that he wasn't injured or anything. Yeah. He's out there somewhere, maybe fighting new friends, searching for his mother. No, one day we shall meet. Faith will bring us together. Yeah. So bye. Like and subscribe. Comment down below if you miss him. If you wanted me to make, let's say, videos about me and bird, my pet bird. Subscribe if you're new. Peace.